All right, back in property. Jesus, Paul. Back at the property in Maine today. I'm gonna try to move the staging over here, up 3 lifts, so I can put those last 2 corner posts in. Lots of water. Well, lack of planning. My drill won't fit in this tight space, so I've got to do it by hand. A little painful, but it'll work. All right, it's all done. All 5 posts are in. All right, you get the joist hangers in. Putting the corner post in. Murray, what are you doing? That stick is way too big. Come on. Come on. Can't bring that home with you. We finally found a spot for the Reolink camera, and it works really well right here. It's probably the strongest signal we've had. The solar panel on the right, we have to move a little higher or lower because it's in the viewfinder when you turn it to the right. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Hey, good morning. We're back at the property this morning. I'm going to try to put some more of the bracing, or blocking on rather, for the decking, and hopefully start the decking today. This has been a long, drawn-out process. It seems to be taking forever, but I've got a free day, so let's see what we can get done this morning. Here's a new perspective. We're on top of the deck. I got all 5 posts in. Oh, plus the corner post down there. So this morning I need to put some blocking in this corner so I can do some picture frame decking around the edge. I got all my blocking in. Now I've got to throw down some joist tape. I got a roll of 2-inch and a roll of 4-inch. I'll put that down and then start putting the perimeter on, and then hopefully lay some more decking. I got the joist tape on the outer side here. I don't want to put too much on because that stuff is fairly slippery, and I'm afraid I'll put a loose deck board on it and go for a ride 15 feet to the ground. So I'm just going to work my way slowly across, putting the tape on. All right, I got the joist tape on the perimeter and in about 6 inches. Now I need to snap a line and get my first row on. All right, got the first row almost done. I need to go grab a drill bit and pre-drill these holes where the butt joint is, so they don't split. All right, I got all the G-tape. I'll get all the blocking covered in G-tape around the tree. So now I need to do the joists and work my way to the left, covering everything with G-tape, and then I can start laying more decking. Work my way, I don't know, 2/3 of the way across here with the joist tape. So now I'm going to start staggering some decking and getting that installed. For a spacer, I'm just using this speed square. It's actually, I don't know if it'll focus, it's 3/16 of an inch, so it's kind of a little smaller than I think a 1/4 inch that people usually shoot for, but all right, Mary, we're gonna head home. Isn't daylight? All right, well, we got 3 deck boards installed.